are you doing? I'm over here trying to show ships, and you guys are just leaving a disgusting mess in the showroom. This is terrible. God. Put it on your forehead, lady. I'm not throwing these away because I think they're full of shit. So that one sounds like it's full of shit too. That was weird because I was carrying it. There you go, lady. Do something with your unopened drinks. People just throw on the ground. Haha! Ground vehicles. I like the Spartan. This one's a troop transport. Some of them have big weapons on them. So this is where the driver goes, you know, to drive. This is where the people go, you know, to... Okay. This is the Valkyrie. This is the other turtle. This is the turtle that carries people. And cargo, apparently. So you can put like a tank or a Spartan in here. And then people go in there, and on the other side, your gunner. Gunner!
Time to hit the next hall.
I think I might take you a bit longer. I haven't seen everything yet.
It's not the best I've seen from this manufacturer, but still a pretty solid showing.
Yeah, they've done a good job.
Brrr. Okay. Ooh. Which one's this one?
Last year, that was a show.
Piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. This is the lightning. Where's the thunder?
I'm gonna go and see if I can find
So another heavy
more
fighter.
interesting.
I think I might stay here a bit longer. I haven't seen everything yet.